How many of you go shopping? Oh, now the hands go up. Okay, good. Nice, awesome. All I want you to do is I want you to try it on. Okay, you go get 2 articles of clothing. You look at the price. The price is right. Okay, not the show. The price is right. You go into the dressing room. You try it on. You look this way. You look that way. You like it. How long until you actually try it on and you feel it and you look it? How long does it take you to make a decision that you're going to buy it? A second. Awesome. So you do what I do and you hang it up instead of throwing it on the floor. And then the next... Oh, wow, you got real upset about it. Okay, got it, wow. And then you get another article of clothing, and you try it on, and you look this way, and then you look this way, and you're like, I don't remember that bump. Was that too personal? Was that just recently what happened? Okay, got it, okay. So how long does it take you to look in the mirror and feel that snugness, and then start dreading every single food decision you made for the last 6 months, right? How long does it take you to decide that you don't want that article of clothing? Okay, but both times he had to try it on. It's insane that we don't try things on. How many people like coffee? Raise your hand. How many people like honey? Raise your hand. How many people have never tried honey in their coffee but know they're not going to like it? Raise your hand. How does that make sense? It doesn't. I tried coffee and honey in an Ethiopian restaurant 15 years ago, and you will see me with honey all the time and coffee. I even took a bottle of honey upstairs with me just to make sure that if I get coffee, that they put it in there. How many of you like pineapple? How many of you like pizza? How many of you know you don't like pineapple pizza and you've never tried it? How does that make sense? Your mind is just getting in your way. Worst case scenario, you put honey in coffee, or you take a bite of pineapple pizza, and for 3 seconds, you go, oh, this is disgusting, and you spit it out and you wash your mouth out, you're good. Best case scenario, you just found something new that you will love for the rest of your life. How's that voice going for you? You're in the Matrix. The Matrix is a movie that's really a documentary. Some of you, I lost you because I started talking about like science fiction movie. Yeah, she's like,